Ganun mo ko ng asawa ko. Ganda oh. Red hair. Si Jean Grey yan ng X-Men. Supposed to be dapat ang kasama niya si Cyclops. Kaso, so, nandito tayo ngayon sa Kwantlen University dito sa may Richmond kasi awarding ng mga anak ko guys, no. Kung natatandaan nyo, nag-tournament sila dun sa math something. So, ito yung second part. So, meron din silang award dito. So, samahan nyo kami guys. Let's go. Ganda dito. Ito yung isang university dito. Ang tawag nila, Kwantlen University. Ganda rin, no. Malawak. Hello boys. Say hi.
Hi!
And there's Lola there and Kuya Aki. Tara. Pasok tayo sa loob.
Dad, could I show them the moonwalk?
O sige, magmumunwalk daw. Wow, galing oh. Huwag mo nang ulitin yan ha. Last na yan. Ito guys, Kwantlen University. University nila, may elevator.
You know mommy?
Let's see. Ang laki ng university nila, parang mall. Ano? University, Kwantlen University. Laki. Meron dyan. Meron pang ganito, lounge. Laki oh. Meron pa silang Thanos dito oh. Thanos. Thanos oh.
Thanos in one snap.
Meron pa silang ano guys, entertainment center. So parang movie house. Meron pa silang ganyan sa loob ng school. So, siguro nagpapalabas sila dito ng mga movie. And take note guys, hindi pa ito yung top university dito sa British Columbia. Ang top dito is yung UBC or yung University of British Columbia. Pero ganito na kalaki. Yung mga anak ko, nag-e-enjoy sila dito sa university. Malay mo, dito na sila pumasok, di ba? Not bad. Go, awarding na. Yusimas. No, it's okay. There's Diva and Lola. Diva, say hi.
Award ceremonies. My name is Kunal,
My name's Rianne.
and I wanted to give a big congratulations to every single one of the kids sitting here right now. So one big round of applause. So centers really do grow and take the feedback that you give them to help them improve their location's performance. So if you could just take a quick snap of that QR code, fill in a Google review. You can also look at the back at Roshan there. He has the green raffle tickets. From Surrey East, winning a provincial third runner-up award. Next, we have Ayla Chaudhry from Richmond East, winning a provincial third runner-up from Surrey East.
Nice one, Pers. Nice one, Percy.
See, Binu also knows I enjoy doing this, so she makes sure the last few kids, they're in no particular order. Earlier, when there's a big mass, she's like, okay, you're first, go line up, so, right? So we're down to 4 now.
Congratulations, boys. Have a trophy. What's yours?
Third runner.
Third runner-up. All right, that's good.
Wait, Papa.
I'm the first runner-up. And this is the champion. Champion! Alright. Tapos na guys. Punta naman ako ng salon. Susunduin ko si Mrs. Kasi may mga gagawin sa buhok namin. Let's go. Let's go down. Wala tayong parking. This is guys, Richmond area. Careful. Tawid tayo. Okay, dito na tayo sa train. Lipat lang tayo na ibang train. Yan. Hindi pa tayo ng Canada Line, guys. Tatayo na lang tayo guys kasi dalawang station lang naman tayo. Exit na tayo dito. Okay. Dito na tayo sa Yale Town guys. Okay, lakad pa tayong konti. Makarating tayo dun sa salon kung saan natin susunduin si Mrs. No, ganda ng weather today, maaraw. Lapit na tayo dun sa venue. Ganda ng panahon. Yun o, daming tao ngayon dito sa medyo downtown area na to eh. Yale Town. Dahil FIFA nga ngayon guys, ayan, maraming mga ganyan ngayon oh. Yung mga nasa lang sila, side street. Tapos may mga ganyan. Nanonood sila sa big screen. Siyempre may mga inuman na rin dyan guys. Yeah. So tayo magkulay guys. Ano yung tsura nito? Masama ko tapos na yun. Ganda ng ilay ng buhok niyo. Ganda. Ganda. Ganda ng buhok ng asawa ko. Ganda. Red hair. At ayun si Jean Grey yan ng X-Men. Supposed to be dapat ang kasama si Cyclops. Kaso naging si Storm. Hi Storm. Ay, so bago natin get up ngayon guys.
So nice.
Care of my wife yan. Tama naman oh. Ganda ng buhok natin. Pero ano yung sasawa ko gusto talaga. Ganda oh. Para siyang ano ba yan? Phoenix. Oh, yun.
So nice.
Ayun oh, Phoenix. Siya ganda, di ba?
Red. Wow, Merry Christmas.
Pauwi na tayo guys. Tapos na ang lakad namin for today. Whole day, dami namin ginawa. Pero ito yung pinaka-highlights ng araw. Highlights din sa Boko. Ganda, di ba?
Thank you, Robert.
Shoutout pala kay Robert, yung aming hairstylist. Hairstylist? Sikat ka na, boy. May hairstylist ka na. Anyway, ayan guys. Dito kami sa train. Pauwi na kami. Kasi anong oras na ba? 7:30 na. Hintay na kami ng mga Junakis namin. Alright?
The next morning.
Okay, tapos na kami magsimba. Siyempre sisimba muna. Kasi birthday ng asawa ko. Gusto kami magsimba. Thank you, Lord.
Could we eat? Could we eat?
Now we will celebrate naman. Kasi birthday. Birthday. Sa church. Our Lady of Assumption. Okay, dito na kami sa mall guys. Kakain muna kami. Hanap kami ng restaurant. I think alam na namin kung saan kami kakain eh. Saan yung restaurant? I think nasa left,
Hello.
right? Right, there. Where's the restaurant? Uy. What's up here? Oh, there's a game.
I know this restaurant.
Ha?
We went here.
Sobrang busy ngayon sa mall. Anong meron? Kasi meron palang laban. Merong FIFA ngayon. Ayan o. Daming tao. Kasi may FIFA. FIFA game. Doon kami kakain guys sa Suda. We will eat. Daming tao. Hi ma.
Didn't we go here? Go.
Okay. Ito kami kakain guys. Suda Korean. There you go. Table for 6. Suda. Let's go Lola. Korean food.
I want the rice. I want the chicken though.
Yummy.
Wow.
There. The chicken's already there? I'm smelling something so good.
Birthday ma.
Thank you, Pa. Happy birthday to me. Di ba, your food?
Football pa dun oh.
Paabot.
Watching football too.
Want to put the tomato.
Just remove it. Put it to the side. Wow, I'm excited for the pork belly.
Oh.
Can I mix the corn and cheese?
Yes, please.
Sure.
Yes.
Cheese.
Pork belly.
Like chocolate for this, I think. Oh no, man, this is gonna burn over.
Are you guys vlogging?
Wow, yummy.
Great.
You like it, Diva?
It's good to go.
Thank you.
Good job.
I really want the corn.
Wow. Pork belly.
Mix with that.
Sarap niyan ah.
Yummy.
Oh man, this is my favorite.
Mga hindi na nagsasalita oh. Sarap ba? Wow. Amazing. Happy birthday, Mama. Okay. Kainan muna.
Oh my gosh.
Uy, grabe. Meron pa palang chicken. There.
Finish first on your plate so
Yummy.
good.
Oh, may chicken pa pala. Wow, yummy.
Yummy.
The chicken. Boneless? Oh, it's boneless. No, they have boneless.
Sarap.
The boneless.
Gusto naman ang pagkain, ma'am. Sarap ba? Nag-enjoy ka ba sa birthday mo?
Sarap to kinain.
Ganda ng asawa ko. Oh.
Sarap.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you.
Love you. Happy
birthday, Mama. So may laban Canada ngayon. Nanalo tayo, guys.
Yes!
1-0 versus South Africa. Kaya dami ng tao. Yan. Ang tao, guys. Yan yung big screen, oh. Big screen. Ano na? Go Canada! Let's go! Daming tao, oh. Buhay na naman ang ang mga Canadian. Nanalo tayo, 1-0.
Yes!
Hi, birthday girl! Ganda naman ang birthday girl ko, oh.